Let's start. Today we will see how to create a responsive layout in a Flutter app. The app will be of Android and web frameworks. By responsive layout I mean, when we run the app on a mobile device, the layout will be vertical. But, when we run the app on a web browser, the layout will be horizontal. Let's look at the main.dart file. These are the imports. Then, in the main function, we create the stateless widget called MyApp. This is the MyApp stateless widget. In the build function, we create a material app and apply a theme. The home attribute is set to a stateful widget called MyHomePage. This is the MyHomePage stateful widget. Here we create a state object of this stateful widget, whose name is _MyHomePageState. This is _MyHomePageState class. Here we will design our app. In the build function, we have a scaffold widget, upon which we will design other widgets. The app bar attribute is set to the app bar widget, and the title variable is used as the title of the app bar. The body attribute is set to the LayoutBuilder widget. Here, we check if the width of the device, upon which this app is running, is greater than 600 or not. If the width is greater than 600, then, that means it is either a tablet or a computer device. Otherwise, it is a mobile device. If it is a bigger screen, we call the drawWebUI function. If it is a smaller screen, we call the drawMobileUI function. This is the drawWebUI function. Here, we are going to create a row of items. We are drawing 5 items in this row using these drawItem objects. And this is the drawMobileUI function. Here, we are going to create a column of items. We are drawing 5 items in this column using these drawItem objects. This is the drawItem class that draws those 5 items for us. Here, we are simply creating a square-shaped box, in which the 1, 2, 3 data will be shown. So overall, when the app is run on a mobile device, we will see a column of elements. Whereas, when the app is run on a computer browser or a tablet, we will see a row of elements. Now, let's run the app. I have run the app on a mobile device, and we can see that the items are placed inside a column, vertically. Now, I have run the app on a computer browser, and we can see that the items are placed inside a row, horizontally. The link to download this code is in the description box under this video. So that's it. That's how you can create a responsive app for mobile and web interfaces in Flutter. Thank you.